This is from Nationals for Echo, Rylee, and Chloe. And I believe it's going to be the biggest trophy that we've received. Exciting. I wish you guys were here. Addison, I'm gonna need some scissors. Because they wrapped it up good. To come from Orlando. I'm still on the struggle bus. Rylee and Echo. You also have national finalist pins to go on your lapel of your TSA jacket. Oh, isn't she a beauty? First place, middle school STEM Animation 2021 National Conference. Congratulations, Captain Rylee Ruddick and your teammates, Chloe and Echo. Job well done.